Can you blur a video or part of a video in Canva? Well, the short answer is no. Unfortunately, there is no dedicated blurring tool in Canva, which is very much disappointing because we have a blurring tool for a picture, but when it comes to a video, unfortunately, we don't have that feature in this platform yet. So what is the workaround? Well, there's actually one workaround that you can use, although it's not pretty, but if your goal is really to just conceal a part of the video so your viewers don't see that, then it might be worth it. So here I have a picture of a group of people, and let's say I want to blur this person in the middle, or maybe any person in this group video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add an element to block the face. So let's go to elements, and here I'm going to search for the keyword square shadow, or square glow, or square blur. Those are essentially the same thing, and you want to click the graphic section, and here we have plenty of different styles. You can choose whatever styles that you find the best, and let's click on it. And after that, you can put that object exactly on top of the element, on top of the area that you want to conceal from the video. And that's basically it. So this is not perfect. Again, this is not for everyone, especially if the object is kind of moving all around the place. You gotta have to manually move the element as well, because there is no auto tracking feature in Canva. So this is probably not for everyone, and I think there is only a limited use case of this technique. But until then, this is probably the only method available to blur part of the picture or part of the video using Canva. So again, not perfect, but I hope you still find this video to be helpful. So in any case, if you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.